So I just found out something pretty unique about this thing, and I thought it was really cool. I may be living under a rock, but I didn't know it made this noise. As you can hear, it sounds like a very low train noise, and I thought maybe it might sound good like this. But I don't know, because that would be me editing the noise if I do this. But yeah, I've I'm living under a rock since I didn't know this, apparently, too. How are you supposed to hear this in a public lobby? I bought this in a public lobby and I didn't hear it because all I heard was mini games, such and such, toxicity to another person, and oh my god.